Hello everyone and welcome back to uGenesys, and in this video I'm going to be introducing you guys to our Engulfing Candlestick Hunter, and the purpose of this indicator is to scan your charts to find the engulfing candlestick patterns. So let me just give you a quick breakdown of today's video. So first I'm just going to do a brief explanation of engulfing candlestick patterns, and then I'm going to show you how to use our Engulfing Candlestick Hunter indicator. So engulfing candlestick formations consist of two bars displayed on the price chart, and they serve as indicators for a potential change in the market's direction. And in this pattern, the second candlestick is significantly larger than the first, and sometimes it completely engulfs the entire length of the preceding bar. So if you take a look right here, you can see these two candlesticks right here. So you can see that this is the preceding candlestick and this is the engulfing candlestick, and you can see that the size of this candlestick is more than twice the size of the preceding candlestick here. And here you can see that we have this little arrow above our engulfing candlestick, okay? And you can see we have bearish candlesticks as well as bullish candlesticks here. And so the significance of these candlesticks is that they give us an idea of how much buying or selling power is in the forex market. So normally an engulfing candlestick is followed by a trend reversal, or it will help to continue to push a trend. And as you can see here, we're on a CAD JPY chart, and we have both bullish and bearish engulfing candlesticks on this chart. So you can see it identifies the bullish engulfing candlesticks by putting the green arrow below, and it also identifies the bearish candlesticks by putting this red arrow above those, okay? So the whole idea of an engulfing candle is that it completely overshadows or consumes the size of the candle before it. So let me give you another example. So here you can see we have another bearish engulfing candle, and if you see the candle that comes right before it, you can see in comparison to the size that this candle that comes before is much smaller, and the engulfing candle basically engulfs the size of this candle here, okay? Well, the most important point to remember for these engulfing candles is that they usually represent a strong push in the market, or it gives you an idea of a potential reversal that's about to happen. So here's another example. You can see this bearish engulfing candle here that just completely engulfs the size of this candle that came before it. And you can just see how the market pushed up from this engulfing candle here. So now you may be thinking, there are a lot of bullish and bearish candlestick formations, so which one should I choose? So you should choose the ones that are in the trend or supporting the trend. So for example, right here you can see we have an uptrend here. The market is going up. And so we want to be focusing on the bullish engulfing candles here, okay? And so to make it easier, our team has created a little filter here for you. And so whenever you turn it on, it gets rid of the extra engulfing candles and only lets you focus on the ones that are most important and that support the trend. And so you can see our bullish engulfing candles here that support the trend here going up. And you can see we have significantly less bearish trends here in this case, okay? So let's do a quick comparison. Let's turn the filter off again. And you can see all the different engulfing candles that we have. And when we turn it on, there we go. We get rid of the excess candles, so you will be able to focus on the most important candles that support the trend, okay? Now, how I personally use this indicator is that I use it on the 4-hour time frame. So I usually use this strategy to swing trade. It can be used to scalp, of course, but I'm just telling you how I use it. So here we are on the 4-hour time frame, and you can see we have both bearish and bullish engulfing candles. A lot of candles here. So now I'm going to turn on my filter. And there you go. You can see it shows me the important engulfing candles to focus on that support the trend, okay? So you should definitely use this indicator on the higher time frames, like the 4-hour time frame, because that's where you'll get very great results, okay? But it's totally up to you to choose based on your strategy. And so to get this indicator, you can go ahead and click on the link in the description. And thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.